welcome to another video. So who's ready to see Madam Glam's new February collection? And the name for this collection is called House of Love. Everybody in the House of Love. So look at these 5 gorgeous shades that I've been sent, guys. Look at those. They are gorgeous, especially those sparkly ones. I'm really liking the look of these. So we've got Moonchild, Supernova Love, Synergy, The Chaser, and lastly, Magic Dust. And look at the new labels on these bottles. How adorable are they? I'm really liking them. They're so pretty. Like all the other Madam Glam gel polishes, these are also vegan, cruelty-free, 21-free formula, palm oil-free and hema-free. You've got the ingredients on the back, you've got the directions on the back. Madam Glam gel polishes cure in an LED lamp for 30 seconds and 2 minutes in a UV lamp. So we're going to be swatching them like I normally do, taking a quick look at the colours. And then once I've seen the colours all swatched, I'll think of a design what we're going to do. So this collection, guys, is made up of 8 gorgeous colours. I'll pop a picture on the screen now of all the colours in this collection. They're available to buy as from today on the Madam Glam website. I shall leave the links in my description box below, along with my discount code, which you'll see is GG30. Don't forget to use that at checkout to save yourself 30% off. So the first one is Synergy. This looks a really beautiful purple. I like this already. I really like, oh, look at that. That is such a beautiful shade. Definitely got to use this one in a design today. That is gorgeous. Look at that. How beautiful is that? Stunning. So I'm going to give that one a cure. Next one is The Chaser. Look at that one. Really pretty pink. We've got Moonchild. Oh yes, I love that one. I can see me using that a lot as a nail bed colour. It's a super light pink. Yeah, I can see me using that a lot. Now we're on to these sparkly ones. So this one is Supernova Love. Ooh, that one's nice. That's nice. I like that. Look at that for one coat as well, guys. Some glittery gel polishes are quite thick, but that applied really, really thin, which is going to be nice because it's not going to bulk your nails out. I will give that a second coat off camera just to see if it makes any difference, but I really don't think it will. That was really good coverage. Beautiful colour. And then lastly, we've got Magic Dust. Ooh, and this does look like magic dust as well. It's so magical. Beautiful colour. Ooh, look at that one. That looks very similar to the other one on camera. I'm going to give them another coat, and then I'm going to give them a top coat, and then we'll take a look at them side by side and see what the difference is. So I'm going to give that one a cure, then I'm going to get them all top coated, and we'll come back and take a look at them, shall we? Who's ready to see these? How pretty are they? Proper Valentine's colours these are, aren't they? I really, really like them, especially those two shimmery ones. Let's take a look at them next to each other quickly. So Supernova has got more of a pinky tone, where I'd say the Magic Dust, it's still got a pink tone, but not quite as pink. You see that? It's really hard to show on camera, but they are quite similar. And that's what they look like. Shiny, and then the bottom is what they look like matte. They're really pretty, aren't they? I can definitely see me using that Moonchild a lot as a nail bed colour, as a base colour. Yeah, I like them. I really like the brightness of this Synergy as well. It's gorgeous. And I really like the labels on the bottles. I like them. So I'm going to get set up, and I'm going to do a Valentine's design, obviously. There's no way I couldn't do a Valentine's design looking at these colours, is there? So yeah, I'm going to get set up, guys, and then I shall talk you through what we're doing. Right, guys, so I'm all set up, and I've decided I'm going to do a really easy, beginner-friendly Valentine's design. So I'm going to start off by giving all the tips a coat of base coat. You'll see as well that I have already given these tips a little bit of a buff, just so it gives that base coat something to grab onto. I'll do the other 3 nails off camera, guys, then I'll cure them for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to be using Moonchild, and I'm going to apply a full coat of this on the pointer finger, the middle, and the pinky nail.
I can't be nothing better than spending my day with you. My life's sunny and better, girl, when I'm with you. She's luminous so bright like a star in the skylines. She got the looks, the good, oh boy, I need her so bad in my life. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, girl, nah, 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 nah. Just being your son's alright, girl. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you.
Feel that for 30 seconds. Right, guys, so I've given those all another thin coat off camera, and you know what I've just noticed that I've done? I've painted the ring finger when I was meant to paint the middle finger instead. I am a dim low. That's how easy I get distracted, guys. Do you know why I got distracted? I'll show you why. I have just had a parcel turn up, and I'm dying to get it open and have a look at it, and it's distracted me that bad that I've painted the wrong nail. So I'm hoping it's not going to make too much of a difference. So I'm now going to just give this middle one 2 very thin coats. I'll do that off camera, guys, just to save time. And then I'll come back in a minute when we're on to the next step. Right, so that ring finger is going to have a coat of Magic Dust. I'm hoping that applying this Moonchild first is not going to make a lot of difference to the colour. But I don't think it will, because these glitters are super opaque. Yeah, that's not going to have made a lot of difference whatsoever, I don't think, guys. So I'm going to give that one a cure for 30 seconds. So I've given all 4 nails a coat of shiny top coat, cured them in the lamp. Now I've pulled my palette out and I'm going to pop a little bit of Synergy, The Chaser and Moonchild on there. And I pulled out my dotting tool. And on this ring fingernail, I'm going to be doing some love hearts. So to do love hearts, all I do is 2 dots like that, and then pull them down to a point like that. But I'm not going to cure that. Then we're going to use Moonchild. And then into that uncured gel polish, I'm going to sprinkle some clear acrylic powder. So you could do these 1 or 2 at a time, but if you are to do that, then you're gonna have to sprinkle the acrylic in each time before you cure each heart. This is why I really wanted to do them all in one go, so I've only got to sprinkle them once. So I'm just leaving that to soak in for a minute. Then give it a tap off. Have a little look, see if there's any more shiny bits coming through, which there is on this purple one here. I'm just going to give that a little bit more of a sprinkle. Like that. Let that soak in. And then I'm going to give that a double cure in the lamp. Just want to make sure that gel polish cures through that acrylic powder. So I'm going to give that a 60-second cure. So there we are, guys. That is them all finished. How cute are they? And they was super quick and easy to do. All you need to do this design is gel polishes and a dotting tool. That is it. It was such a beginner-friendly design. Can't go wrong. But yet it's still really, really pretty. Yeah, I like them. I think they're really cute. I really like them crystals as well. They are super sparkly. I really like these colours, especially all together. They all go really well together, don't they? Perfect for Valentine's. Really nice Valentine's colours. Right, guys, let's have a quick look at the swatches again. And that's the swatches. So we've got Synergy, The Chaser, Moonchild, Magic Dust, and Supernova Love. Like I said earlier, I shall leave the link to the Madam Glam website in the description box below, and I shall also put it in the comments as well, along with my discount code GG30. I want to say a massive thank you to Madam Glam for sending us these to take a look at. Thank you so much, Madam Glam. I really like them. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Also, guys, for those of you that do come back and watch my videos but you're not subscribed, please would you consider hitting that subscribe button. I'm really trying to get myself monetized now and I'm so close. But I've noticed a lot of you come back and watch my videos but you're not subscribed, and I don't know why. Whether you don't know it's free, whether you just don't want notifications going off all the time. You can turn your notifications off, guys. If you just click the bell next to the subscribe button and click none, you won't get no notifications coming through. If you click all, you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. Or if you just don't want to subscribe, then don't subscribe. But I'd really appreciate it if you would. That really helps get my videos out there. Comments as well, guys. Comments are so important I really enjoy reading all of your comments, and also they do help get my videos out there as well. Even if it's just a little emoji, just send me send me love hearts. If everyone that's watching this and has made it till the end, send me a love heart emoji, and that should hopefully get my video out there, and hopefully YouTube will start pushing my videos out. Right, I'm going to let you all get off, and I hope to see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.